Hi everyone, I'm Miss Tina and we are at the Palos Heights Public Library today for our DIY Kool-Aid Lip Balm. I want to let you know that throughout the entire month of July, you are more than welcome to stop by at the library to get your supplies to go ahead and make your own Kool-Aid Lip Balm at home. Included in the kit, should you choose to come to the library, you will get instructions on how to make your Kool-Aid Lip Balm. You will also get a packet of Kool-Aid, 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly, and you will get some cosmetic jars to go ahead and put your lip balm in. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna get right to it. And I am gonna go ahead and shift my camera down so that you can see everything that I'm gonna be doing. So, I'm going to follow my instructions on this sheet here, and it says to add 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly to a microwavable safe bowl, and you're going to microwave for 1 to 2 minutes or until the petroleum jelly is liquefied. So I have my bowl here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly or some Vaseline that I have here. And again, all of this is going to be included in your kit with the exception, of course, of the bowl. So I want to make sure that I'm not putting extra in here. So measured it out, 1 tablespoon. I'm putting it in my bowl. Okay. Now I am going to go ahead and I'm going to put this in the microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and stop my video right now, and I will come back after, like I said, I've put it in the microwave and we can see how it turns out, okay? Be back in a sec. Okay, now I am back with my liquefied petroleum jelly here, and it took about 1.5 minutes for it to go ahead and melt. So one thing that you might want to do is give it a minute and then stir it around and see if it needs more time, and add more time if needed. And yeah, look at this, it turned out great. And it took 1.5 minutes. So definitely between 1 and 2 minutes. Doesn't take that long. But I am going to be careful because I did heat it in a glass bowl, and the glass bowl is a little bit hot right now and I don't want to burn myself. So definitely please be careful at home. So the next step is to add 1 packet of Kool-Aid to the petroleum jelly, and then we're going to stir until it is pretty much dissolved. The instructions also say that it is not going to completely dissolve, but just stir along until we get it to the consistency that we want to get it to. And I picked watermelon Kool-Aid because watermelon happens to be one of my favorite fruits. And I definitely like watermelon Jolly Rancher too, and that is exactly what this Kool-Aid smells like. It smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. And I'm just going to stir. I'm trying to stir really quick because I want it to dissolve as much as possible while the jelly's still hot. Definitely have a lot of sugar crystals in here that I'm trying to dissolve too. Okay, so I think it is pretty much dissolved right now, as much as it's gonna get. So now, next in our step says to spoon mixture into a cosmetic jar or a container. Like I mentioned earlier, this is gonna be what you're gonna be having in the kits if you come to the library and you pick it up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to spoon the mixture into these awesome little containers that you can just take on the go so that you can have your lip balm with you wherever you want. So, let's see. So I'm tilting my bowl so that it's easier to fill up the spoon. But I'm also I noticed some stuff at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. That's like the harder sugar that is not going to dissolve. So I want to make sure that I get all of the dissolved liquid instead of the like clumpy things that aren't going to dissolve. Okay. Okay, and I think that is one jar. So now it says let it cool for about 15 minutes. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it 15 minutes, and in the meantime, I'm going to fill up my other 2 jars that I have here. So we will see how it is in 15 minutes. Be right back. Okay, hi everyone. We are back, and I am very pleased with the results. So I know that in the kit I had originally said that you were going to get 3 cosmetic containers, but I found that when I mixed it right now, there was no way that I was going to fill 3 cosmetic containers because the stuff at the bottom, like I said in the bowl, that starts to clump up. You don't need to put it in a container. You just discard that. So yeah, it fills up 2 cosmetic containers perfectly, and look, it definitely hardened to the point where it is lip balm. So it's harder there, and it doesn't come on my finger. So yeah, and it smells like watermelon, and it is perfect. So definitely pleased with the way that this turned out, and yeah, come by the library today and go ahead and pick up your DIY Kool-Aid Lip Balm kits to do this at home. Thanks. Have a good one.